let's get opening calls after we've had the opening bell on the Nigerian Stock Exchange for this Thursday, the 28th of November. Rotimi Fakaijo is a stockbroker and a market analyst live to us from the trading floor in downtown Lagos. Rotimi, good morning. Welcome to the show. First is that I'm sure you've read what everyone's been reported from the MPC on Tuesday. So the markets was down on that Tuesday. It was also down yesterday. Do you think the news around the MPC has since been priced out of the market currently? Where are we? We're wrapping up the month tomorrow.
Well, I think to me it should have been a positive development to the market. But I think at the other times too, there is some irrational behavior in the market, which may not be fully explained. But I believe strongly that from what we've seen so far for the month still looks good to get finished on the positive side, even for whatever might have happened yesterday and before yesterday. But I believe, having looked at what is happening right now in the market, is looking like a good start because we are having a 0.02% positive upward movement. Not much has been traded, but I believe things are definitely going to trend better as the trading proceeds.
Okay, so in terms of how the market is right now, we're wrapping up with November, and I'm just thinking, with all the news around what the central bank says is done in terms of interventions in key sectors, the increased bank credit to manufacturing and agriculture, general merchandise, and what have you, do you think some of this liquidity and this credit will still be able to impact the equities market anywhere or anything significantly before December the 31st, or we're just going to one step forward, two steps backward until December the 31st?
To me, I believe it will, because if investors actually look at things critically, the market portends a very good opportunity for investors at this time. Like I keep saying all the time, the dividend yield from stocks at this time, especially the good dividend-paying stocks, is quite heartwarming relative to what we're going to have at the end of their financial year when dividends will be paid early next year. So to me, I believe 10%, 15% yield for some securities is quite much better than what will have been obtainable if you go and put your money in fixed deposit, from which you may not earn more than 5%. Because of the rate at which the rate of Treasury bill is dropping by the day. So I believe strongly that we are going to see more impact on the market, and definitely will impact things positively. And we are going to definitely, the market may not really be able to close positive for the year, but I think the negative trend that we are seeing right now will be very much reduced, and we can actually look forward to a better 2020.
So what's the sentiments amongst you chartered stockbrokers about the state of the market as we wrap up 2019? What's the thinking on for you brokers who earn a living from what the interventions you do between the market and retail investors, sometimes on behalf of institutional investors as well, both local and foreign?
Well, I believe strongly that with more liquidity within the system, definitely part of it will trickle to the equity market, and the kind of opportunities there in the equity market, I believe that also will be an attraction for investors to come. So our thoughts are that there needs to be more advocacy for the market. There's so much apathy right now. And I think we need to do more in getting more investors into the market to actually take advantage of what we are seeing. Because for me, the fundamentals of most companies are very right and very, very encouraging. So I think that is enough reason for investors to come around, even with more liquidity within the system, to boost whatever we are seeing right now.
Okay. Rotimi Fakaijo, market analyst, thank you so much, and chartered stockbroker. Thank you so much. Have a great day at the trading floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and we thank our viewers here in Nigeria and around the world. I'll see you again tomorrow, the 29th of November. Let's wrap up the week and wrap up the month I'll see you then. Have a great day.